are welcome in SP's Kitchen and Home Appliances. If you want to create new beautiful kitchen in your house, or you want to repair any machine in your kitchen like washing machine, fridge, cooler, grinder, heater, any machine in your kitchen, if you want to repair any machine in your kitchen, you can easily repair any machine with our help. You can create your beautiful new kitchen with our help. Now what you have to do is, you have to go in the comment box of this video, and you should write your name, then you should write your mobile number, then you should write your email ID, then you should write your address, and after that you should write what service you want to do. If you want to create new kitchen, you should write we want to create new kitchen. If you want to repair any machine in your kitchen, you should write what machine you want to repair, and you should post this in the comment box of this video. We will share this comment, your post, with all our registered home kitchen and home appliance service provider in your city. They will call you, they will send you email, they will send you their quotation, what expenditure they will take, and you can choose the best and affordable service, and you can be tension free. I request all the kitchen and home appliances service providers in the city, they should go in the comment box of this video, and you should first write your name, your agency name, then you should write your address, your mobile number, your email ID, and then you should write what services you provide. We will continuously send you customers, kitchen and home appliances service needy customers via emails and SMSs, and you can serve them, and you can do your business continuously with our help. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.